Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my green beans almondine recipe. This recipe combines the savory flavors of buttered toasted almonds with bacon, along with a hint of onion to make otherwise ordinary green beans come to life. Let's get started. The hint of onions I mentioned in the opening will come from these fried onions I found. They're a lot cleaner product than the standard crispy onions used in most green bean casseroles, and they're low in carbs, which is great if you're on a clean keto diet. We'll prep our green beans by cutting off the ends, and we'll also cut them into smaller pieces, which will make them easier to work with. Clean under some cold water and drain. We'll cook our green beans for about 10 minutes. Now I'm steaming them, but you can also boil them if you prefer. After they're cooked, drain and set aside. Add 8 slices of chopped bacon to a sauté pan on medium heat. Cook the bacon until it's nice and crisp. Remove to a paper towel lined plate to drain and set aside. Drain the bacon grease from the pan and add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. When the butter is melted, add some salt, red pepper flakes, and some ground black pepper. Give a mix to combine. Now stir in some sliced almonds and continue to cook and stir until the almonds and butter become golden brown. Add some minced garlic and cook another 30 seconds. Stir in some lemon juice. Add our cooked bacon. And now finally our green beans. Stir this to combine and cook until the green beans are heated through. Add to a serving dish. Top with the fried onions. And enjoy. There you have it, folks, my green beans almondine. A wonderful recipe to turn otherwise boring green beans into a savory side dish classic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.